Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can easily download the latest version of NetBeans, and that is the NetBeans 19. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your browser, and any browser will do. Here just search NetBeans download and go there, and you can see this is their official website, netbeans.apache.org. Just click this one, NetBeans releases. Just click here, and here you can see NetBeans 19, and this is released in September 1 to 2023. This is the latest version. Download it. Just click this here, download option here, and it will bring you to this page. Here you can see under installation and packages, there are different kinds of packages for different operating system. But we're going to download is download Bean Windows 64-bit. Just click here, and after clicking it, just click this link, and as you can see, my download is automatically started, but I previously downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it here, and just right click it here and go to show my folder here, and here just double click it here and click yes. And as you can see, my installation wizard is running here. The installation process is already began, but I need to tell you something before I started the installation. You have to also install the Java for NetBeans to work. I have a video on how you can install the latest version of Java. You can check it on my channel. And now just click next here, and select this I accept the terms, and click next again. And here you can see my JDK, that is the Java that I installed previously, is found on my C drive. You have to install this Java first to run this IDE, NetBeans IDE. You can see how to install it in my channel. And now just click next here, and just click install again. And as you can see, my installation process has begun. It will take a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes to completely install it. So you have to wait for a bit. Now, as you can see, my installation process is finished. Just click finish here. And this is my NetBeans. Just double click here to open it. For the first time, it is opening for the first time. So it will take a few seconds to open. Just wait for it. And as you can see, this is the interface of NetBeans IDE. Now you can go and code yourself, do Java programming, and create projects. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.